Hello YouTube, this is another video by me, XXNetherXX1, also known as MagmaCube72, as you can see right here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free PayPal money in 2021. And it's called this website, another great website called Rewards One. And I've been a member since October in 2012. And I've earned in total 3,144 points overall. But currently I have 173 points. And I'm a senior rank on this site, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you what you could do to earn the points. I go to the home page, and what you do on this site is you either take surveys, watch videos, or do daily polls or enter contests. And I'm not actually going to do a survey on this right now, but I'm going to show you guys around. And then the rewards, they have all these types of gift cards, and they even got Amazon. Like I said, the PayPal gift card, well, it's not really a gift card, PayPal money sent directly to your email and your PayPal account. You even got like game codes like Steam and Xbox and Minecraft, which is pretty cool. So let me go back to the homepage. Earn, you could do these kind of surveys and stuff on this. You could do this survey and these kind of offers. And then the external offers, you have Peanut Labs to watch videos, and these are the ones you watch videos, or you type some information in again, and then you earn points on this site, so you could then use that to get PayPal money. It's like simple things, so or it's again, it's just another survey you do. Like you type in simple things, or you click certain buttons, and it'll answer them. And then there's the daily poll, which I'm going to do right now to get 1 point. You see in the upper right hand corner I have 173 points, and now I'm going to get 174 points by doing this one poll. Do you prefer hoodies or jackets? I prefer jackets, honestly, so that's going to be 1 point. Of course I'm in the losing poll, but whatever, who cares. And I got another point. So I have 174 points now. And yeah, and those daily polls are obviously daily. You do them every day, and you get a free point just by answering a simple question. But you could do that with the offers too, and the surveys that they have to offer here, that they have available here. I'm sorry, and yeah, and you could also watch videos, enter contests, and you get like these points, and then you could send them to your PayPal account, which is pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. XXNetherXX1 signing out, and also MagmaCube7, also known as MagmaCube72, signing out. And again, one last thing. The link is in the description. Thank you. Bye.